The holiday season is easily one of the most expensive times of the year. This means you'll have to learn how to cut expenses to make sure you have room for buying gifts, plane tickets, decorations, food, and so on. To help you cut expenses without cutting the fun, check out these 3 tips to get started. 1. Have a predetermined budget. The easiest way to reduce expenses is to put yourself in a tight financial frame of mind before you start spending. Figure out the amount you're comfortable spending during the holiday season. Put that amount aside and stick to it when the holiday season starts. 2. Always use price checkers. Price checkers are an absolute must when you're learning how to cut expenses. They will allow you to quickly compare the prices of items. Each time you're interested in buying something, use a price checker. You will be surprised at how much you can save doing this. 3. Don't wait until the last minute. There are a couple of reasons why you shouldn't wait until the last minute when you want to start cutting expenses this holiday season. Shoppers who wait until the last minute tend to overspend, perhaps in a state of panic. This is the last thing you want to do if you are trying to cut expenses during the holidays. Items are not typically reduced at the last minute. Experienced cost cutters tend to buy the most important gifts when they appear on sale, oftentimes months in advance. Getting your holiday shopping done early can also give you peace of mind, which will allow you to focus more of your time on relaxing and enjoying the special times with your family and friends. The holiday season can be very costly, especially when you haven't set aside funds for gift giving. This means you may not have a budget left to cover any emergency that may appear during the holiday season. Applying for a title loan could be an option to handle emergency expenses. A title loan is an option for those that have a lien-free title to their vehicle to use as collateral. The good thing about a title loan is that all credit types are welcomed to apply, even poor credit. The inquiry process starts on our website, where you can fill out the free online form. From there, you will need to sign forms and have your vehicle inspected at one of our many locations within your state. Before your vehicle is inspected by one of our representatives, be sure to have your license or state-issued ID and your vehicle's lien-free title. If approved, in some cases, you could receive the cash you need same day or even the next business day. Simply log on to our website or give us a call to get the emergency holiday cash you need today.